Hi allesammans, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Want to make your furry friend obey better and grow closer to them? Try out some Norwegian dog commands that can make training fun and improve how you and your dog understand each other. Let's explore the interesting world of Norwegian dog cues and commands. Norwegian dog commands are effective and fun in training your pet. They help improve obedience and strengthen the bond between you and your dog. Benefits of Norwegian dog commands: enhance understanding and responsiveness, deeper connection with your dog, improved communication, engaging and fun training sessions, well behaved and obedient companion. Using Norwegian commands can really up your dog's listening skills. Start using them now. You'll see a big difference in your training sessions. Norwegian dog commands are great for training. Here are a few that are very useful. Sit, 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 sit. This teaches your dog to sit, which is key to good behavior. Ligg, ligg, ligg. Lie down. It makes your dog lay down, helping them stay relaxed. Deck, deck, deck. Down. This one tells your dog to lay down fully, showing obedience. Følg, følg, følg. Heel. It means your dog should walk right next to you. No pulling or straying allowed. Vær stille, vær stille, vær stille. Be quiet. To stop barking, use this command. It keeps your dog calm. Stå, 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 stand. Your dog learns to stand still, needed for grooming or checking their health. Go, 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 go. It tells your dog to keep moving, good for playing games or sports. Be sure to use these commands regularly. Your dog will learn them well. This strengthens your training and your bond. Training your dog well requires many Norwegian commands. These are important for good behavior, dealing with issues, and teaching fun tricks. With these commands, you can have a dog that behaves and responds well. It all starts with basic commands for good behavior. Let's review some of the key Norwegian key phrases. Sit, 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 sit. Teach your dog to sit on command. Ligg, ligg, ligg. Down. Train your dog to lie down when instructed. Kom hit, kom hit, kom hit. Come here. Teach your dog to come to you. Focusing on specific issues is easier with the right commands. Check out these examples. Nei, nei, nei. No, it's used to stop bad behavior. På plass, på plass, på plass. Go to your place means your dog goes to a certain spot. Rolig, 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 calm. Used to help a dog relax when it's anxious. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian NLS Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.